Hello there, Taylor from SevereWeatherTV.com with the Severe Weather Outlook for July 8th. So what is happening in the Northwest Pacific? Typhoon Neoguri. Land hazards with that one. We'll talk about that in a second. In the Eastern Pacific, Tropical Storm Fausto. Far away from land. That's a good thing. In the United States, 45% chance for severe thunderstorms today. 15 for Wednesday. I'm trying to read the Spanish. Miércoles, right? 15%. And then 5% for Thursday. In Canada, severe thunderstorm watches in all of these yellow areas and severe thunderstorm warnings if they're still in effect by the time we look at that. Severe thunderstorm warnings in the red areas. So here is what is happening. So you've got Fausto. Fausto is a tropical storm, but far from land. That's a good thing. So no land hazards on Fausto. Here's a satellite view, couple of satellite views of Fausto. Neoguri, though, most definitely land hazards on this thing. This thing, you can see the definition is it's becoming less well defined. Like the eye, which was very well defined up to this, you could still kind of see it. Now it's definitely getting covered up, getting a bit ragged and then completely covered up. Warnings. So on the plus side, today, no emergency warnings per Japan, just the red warnings, and none of the purple. So like yesterday here had emergency warnings, so now it's back to just normal warnings, which is of course still bad, obviously. For instance, here are some of the warnings in effect. Heavy rain, floods, high waves, advisories for gale and thunderstorm, obviously. For this area, they've got, warnings for storm and high waves, and then advisories for a lot of stuff. So, this is Neoguri. Neoguri is expected to basically start banking rightward and basically cross all over mainland Japan in the future. In the United States, since we're skipping models today, here's an overview of the severe thunderstorm threat for the next few days. Here's what's happening at this very moment. Let's clear the filters. So, four tornado warnings. New York and Pennsylvania. Tornado warnings. That's tornado warnings. Lots of them. 30 severe thunderstorm warnings. All of this line here. Some down in Florida, Arkansas, Colorado, New Mexico, Arizona. What is that? Is that Nevada, California? Where is it? Nevada. There's severe thunderstorms all over the place. And then 3 special marine warnings. So 37 warnings in total altogether. In Canada, if this is still current, let's find out. So yellow is for the severe thunderstorm watch for these areas. And over here, if this is still in effect. Okay, it's not. So they've lost the severe thunderstorm warnings, just back to being a severe thunderstorm watch right now. In general, here's the map showing the probability of a tornado today. So that's basically where the tornado warnings were at the moment. 5% chance for a tornado, which is pretty big, especially since you don't tend to see it as often up here in the northeastern part of the United States. And 2% for quite a large area. However, the big threat, of course, today, 45% chance for the 58-mile-per-hour and greater winds for this quite large section. And then 5% chance for this huge section of the country. And then 15% back here. Parts of Mexico, no doubt, and parts of Canada, no doubt, affected by these things. Hail threat, this is the map showing the probability of 1 inch or larger hail. 15% chance for all of this area, 5% for that. For tomorrow, 15% chance for the severe thunderstorms, 5%, again, for quite a large region, and parts of Mexico, presumably. That is it for today, and hopefully you're staying safe out there.